Hey guys, welcome to PCPR, Prep Cook Plate Repeat. So this looks a little different because obviously with the crisis going on and everything happening with the pandemic and coronavirus, we're going to be filming from home. Don't have the crew here because I don't want to endanger their lives or their family lives. So we're just going to do a little self-quarantine home video. We're going to be making fried rice, right? There's different variations to make fried rice. People do Thai pineapple fried rice, fried basil rice. There's a lot of different variations on doing it. We're just going to do a simple, clean fried rice. I cooked off about 2 cups of rice. I have some asparagus. I got some snow peas. I obviously have 2 eggs. I have scallion. What else I have? Sugar, soy sauce, and I got some Brussels sprouts. And I got some meat that I marinated for a few hours. You can use any protein you want. It can be shrimp, chicken, tofu, this beef, whatever you like. I also have a half of onion diced, and I also have an inch of ginger, and 2 nice little eggs. Look at this one. Never seen this. It's blue. I don't know if you can see it with the light. It's blue. Never seen that. All right, so let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add some olive oil to a hot pan. Okay, let's lower our heat a little bit. We're going to add our onion and garlic right in. We're going to give this a nice stir. Cook this out for a couple of minutes. Okay? I'm going to add a little bit more of olive oil just to cook that. Hold out about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Starting to do a little brown. That's nice. That's what we want. Okay. Just so you know, like I said before, I cooked 2 cups of jasmine rice actually. I cooked it a couple of hours ago. I let it sit out on a sheet pan and I let it completely dry. The secret to crispy fried rice is that it needs to be dry, right? If you cook it and then use it right away, there's too much moisture. You need to dry out all that moisture. Beautiful right here. So now our onions got some color. They're a little hard still. Just keep going just a little further. Smells amazing. That ginger, those onions, so aromatic. It's beautiful. I suggest when you cook fried rice, you use a Teflon pan. Something that's black on the bottom. Maybe a cast iron if you want, but I recommend some sort of carbon steel or Teflon pan just like this I have here. It's going to help with the crispiness, and it's going to help the rice not to stick on you. You don't want it to stick. You just want it to crisp up. Okay. In goes scallions. I'm going to saute that for a little bit now. Also, we're going to throw in our string beans. Excuse me, I said asparagus before. I meant to say string beans. Apologize. Let's give that a nice toss. You're going to let this cook. You don't want to cook the string beans too much so they lose their color. You want them to be just a little tender, not too much. You can always blanch these ahead of time, but I just threw them in raw. It's fine. Now throw in our snow peas. Right in. Same thing. We're going to treat it just like the string bean, raw, and it's going to go right in. And we're looking for just a little softness, not too much. Because when we throw the rice in, we're going to have to crisp up the rice, and that's going to be a longer cook time, so we don't want this to cook too much. Let's start adding our salt, just a little bit, not too much, because we're going to be adding soy sauce to this, so we're going to have to adjust seasoning. Just a little salt for these veggies. Okay, we're going to add our rice in now. Now we're going to put this heat up nice and high, as high it goes. You're going to put your rice right in. Like that. Beautiful. Also, do not crowd the pan as well. If you have more rice than you actually cooked, you can always save the rice, whatever you cook, and use it for another time. If you overcrowd your pan, you're not going to get that crispy, beautiful rice that we're looking for. Now, this is a crucial step here. A lot of people add the soy sauce, and then you add liquid to this, and you completely take away all the crispiness and everything that you're looking for. You need to first fry the rice. It's called fried rice for a reason, because it needs to get stir fried. Okay. Evenly spread it out, because you want the entire bottom surface to get beautiful color. You're just going to let this go. You're going to let this go for a few minutes. You're going to let it do its thing. You're not going to touch it. Just going to let that get crispy. Let the bottom of that rice get caramelized. The onions down there getting caramelized. They're really, really nice. It smells amazing. Right now, I'm going to add my sugar, because we're going to want to counterbalance the soy sauce when we add it. So add your sugar. A tablespoon right there, sugar. See how that rice is starting to get some color in the bottom? That's what we're looking for. Give it a little nice toss. See all those nice crunchy bits? That's nice. We're going to make a little center here. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. We're going to start adding in our beef. Like that, right in. As our beef is searing and cooking, our rice is getting crispy. You gotta make the hole a little bigger? Go ahead. Beautiful. Okay. Our meat is almost cooked through. Now we can put it back into the rice. Add pepper. Nice little pinch right there. 2 pinches of pepper. See that rice? How it got color? That's beautiful right there. That's what we want. Now we're going to add in our soy sauce right in. Right in. I'm going to let that soy sauce cook. Almost that it evaporates. As we're seasoning the rice now. That's what you want right there. That's nice. That is beautiful. Last thing we're going to add is some Brussels sprouts. I add them last because they cook really, really fast. The residual steam from this rice will cook them instantly. You can always sub out these vegetables. They don't have to be Brussels sprouts, string beans, snow peas, right? You can do carrots, you can do celery, you can do whatever you like. Mushrooms. Whatever you kind of have in your refrigerator right now will be totally, totally fine. See how that liquid has evaporated and there's nothing on the bottom of that pan? That's what you're looking for. Let this go a little bit longer for a little bit more crispiness. Flatten it out so we can crisp everything evenly on the bottom. Beautiful. Simple, simple fried rice. The hardest part about this entire video is getting the rice right. You need to make sure your measurements are correct. If you cook the rice and there's too much water, it's a soggy rice, you're never going to get it crispy. Okay. Boom, look at that. That's what you want right there. Most important thing besides the rice, make a little space right here. 1 egg, in. 2nd egg, in. You do the egg last because you don't want it to overcook. Kind of treat it like scrambled eggs. You don't want a soup. You don't want a really dry egg. You want it to be nice and fluffy and voluptuous. You don't want a dry curd of egg. Alright, so as it's cooking right there, start to incorporate it. There we go. Now that's what we're talking about. Now all is right. There you go. There you have it. Beautiful. Alright, now we can go and put this bad boy up. Alright guys, so we are going to plate up. Alright. Let's get our utensils here. Look at that beautiful steamy rice. Wow. Alright. Right in the middle. Smells really fragrant. The egg is nicely cooked. The veggies still have color. They still have integrity. That's what you're looking for. And the beef isn't overcooked because we added it almost last. Finish it with a little bit of spring onion. Like that. Then I have some chilies right here that I diced up. And I put 1 red chili and I put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce in there. And this is a little condiment that they use in Thailand. It's really good. And it goes so well with this. We're gonna go right on top, just like that. Obviously you can put as much as you like. I'm just doing a little bit right now for the camera. Alright guys, so hope everyone is staying safe. Stay positive. This quarantine thing will be over soon, hopefully. Just a quick shout out to all the doctors and nurses on the front lines taking care of all the patients right now. We thank you here at PCPR. We'll catch you next week, guys. Thank you.